Hey everyone, welcome back to MZ Car Club. Today we're diving into something absolutely wild and futuristic. The 2027 Ferrari SF90 Motorhome Camper van. Imagine combining the extreme DNA of the legendary Ferrari SF90 Stradale with the practicality and freedom of a luxury motorhome. It sounds unbelievable, but that's exactly what this concept is all about. Speed, style, and full-time adventure blended into one jaw-dropping machine. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2027 Ferrari SF90 Motorhome Camper van carries aggressive, Ferrari-inspired styling that instantly sets it apart from traditional RVs. The front fascia features ultra-slim LED matrix headlights, a sculpted aerodynamic bumper, and massive air intakes inspired by Ferrari's supercar lineup. The body lines are sharp and flowing, designed not just for looks but also to improve airflow and efficiency at highway speeds. Unlike boxy motorhomes, this camper van has a low-slung, sporty stance with carbon fiber accents, gloss black trim, and signature Ferrari red paint options. Large 22-inch aerodynamic alloy wheels, performance brakes with red calipers, and a panoramic glass roof give it a hyper-luxury presence on the road. From every angle, it looks like a supercar that evolved into a futuristic touring machine. Moving to the interior, this is where performance meets premium comfort. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cockpit-inspired driver's area featuring a fully digital curved display, Ferrari-style steering wheel with touch controls, and a head-up display projecting speed and navigation onto the windshield. Premium Alcantara, carbon fiber trims, and hand-stitched leather dominate the cabin. Ambient LED lighting runs across the dashboard, ceiling and storage compartments, creating a high-tech yet cozy atmosphere. Behind the cockpit, the camper section transforms into a luxury apartment on wheels. There's a convertible lounge area with modular seating that turns into a king-size bed. A compact but premium kitchen features induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, fold-out counter space, and hidden storage compartments. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious, offering a rainfall shower, digital temperature controls, and eco-friendly water recycling technology. Ferrari-inspired red stitching continues throughout the living area, maintaining that sporty DNA even in a relaxing environment. Smart home integration allows you to control lighting, temperature, entertainment, and security directly from a central touchscreen or your smartphone. Now let's talk performance, because this is where things get crazy for a motorhome. Inspired by the hybrid technology of the SF90, this camper concept is rumored to feature a high-performance hybrid powertrain combining a twin-turbo V8 engine with dual electric motors. Estimated combined output could reach around 900 horsepower, making it one of the fastest motorhomes ever imagined. 0 to 60 miles per hour could happen in under 4 seconds, which is unheard of in this segment. An advanced all-wheel drive system ensures stability, while adaptive air suspension adjusts ride height for highways or campsite terrain. Regenerative braking, multiple driving modes including Eco, Touring, and Sport Plus, and improved battery efficiency make it both powerful and surprisingly efficient for long-distance travel. Safety is also a major highlight. The 2027 Ferrari SF90 Motorhome Camper van would likely come equipped with Level 3 autonomous driving capability, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree surround cameras, night vision assistance, and advanced collision avoidance. Systems: reinforced carbon composite body panels, improve structural integrity while keeping weight lower than traditional RVs, multiple airbags, electronic stability control, and smart traction management systems ensure maximum safety whether you're cruising on highways or navigating mountain roads. When it comes to pricing, this level of luxury and performance definitely wouldn't come cheap. If brought to life, the 2027 Ferrari SF90 Motorhome Camper van could start around $750,000 and easily exceed $1 million depending on customization. Ferrari-level personalization options would allow buyers to select unique paint finishes, bespoke interiors, advanced solar roof panels, upgraded battery packs, and even track-inspired styling packages. Overall, the 2027 Ferrari SF90 Motorhome camper van represents a bold vision of what happens when supercar engineering meets luxury travel freedom. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's for those who want the thrill of Ferrari performance without sacrificing the comfort of a high-end motorhome. Whether you're exploring cross-country highways, parking at luxury campsites, or simply making an entrance wherever you go. This concept redefines what a camper van can be. So what do you think? Would you take a Ferrari-powered motorhome on a cross-country adventure? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MZ Car Club for more insane automotive concepts and future vehicles.